If you've been thinking about selling your house to a cash home buyer, it's completely normal to wonder, is this actually safe? A lot of homeowners feel unsure, and today I want to walk you through what you should know before making that decision. My name is Ayesha, and I work with Ontario property buyers. We speak with homeowners across Ontario every day who are feeling stressed, unsure, or just want clear answers. So let's talk honestly about safety and what to look out for. The reason many people feel cautious is because not all cash buyers operate the same way. Some make big promises, rush the process, or aren't clear about the paperwork, and that's where problems can happen. A safe cash sale should always include a clear written offer, no pressure to sign, and time for you to review everything. You should know exactly what you're getting, when you're closing, and who you're dealing with. If something feels rushed or unclear, it's okay to pause or ask questions. At Ontario Property Buyers, we explain every step upfront and give sellers time to decide. There are no hidden fees, no obligations, and we encourage homeowners to compare options so they feel confident. Our goal is for people to feel informed, not pressured. If you're considering selling your house and just want to talk through your options safely, you can reach out to Ontario Property Buyers anytime. We're happy to answer questions even if you decide not to move forward.